Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Toyota RAV4 29 to 20 years. Okay, you can check this touchscreen on front, and it comes with all parts, plug and play. It's installation part and the special harness. This canvas box. Okay, and the special connector. Okay, it's plug and play. Let me show head unit. You can check built-in microphone reset hole, and this Belsee UI interface. It's connect to Wi-Fi, and you can all apps are here. You can check. It's built-in speed play for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It plug need a USB wire, and it's built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It decodes vehicle information. You can check vehicle and a few tire information. Okay. And built-in Google Maps. Okay. Check the settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Belsee logo. I'll choose all logo in here, and change the theme editor. You can change the color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, and this lamp is you will get the apps. You can add apps, Bluetooth, close. When you click this, it will open the Bluetooth app. Okay, all apps. Let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi and connect to Wi-Fi. It supports 4G but needs a USB dongle, 4G dongle, hotspot, and BAT motion. You can check MCU wiring and PX6 Android wiring, PX6 chip. Android wiring is Android 10 system. Okay. Check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay, first let me introduce Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. You can enable Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, you can click search button. Your phone will need the code. The code you can check the settings 40 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can check it connect the pair to change the color and change the color. Okay, you can make the phone call. Okay, it work with Bluetooth phone call. And you can streaming let me check the okay, you can stream music from your phone. Okay. And let me check the music. The head unit comes with 2 USB cable and connect USB driver disk. It's USB. You can copy the USB also flash. Okay, this is the music. It's built-in DSP amplifier. You can check this DSP. You can change, adjust the EQ. Okay. Let me check the video. You can check video is disabled for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Find car settings, drumming settings, turn on the watch video. Okay, back to home. Play video game. It supports play 4K video. Okay. and the built-in Wi-Fi. This is our website, belsee.com, blse.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact us by our website. Settings, you can check Wi-Fi, support 4G, and hotspot from your phone. This 4G mobile network needs a 4G USB dongle. Okay, this is our website. This Tesla style screen. Okay. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact us. Thank you.